Hey yo, welcome to Michigander Outdoors. Today, we're going to start another series. So, last video started a travel series. This one, we are going to be doing a gear unboxing as we get ready for hunting season. Both duck and deer season. As I'm gearing up, no pun intended, talking about what I got, why I got it, how I got it, price, benefits, pros, cons, all that good stuff. So, for this video, we're getting ready for duck season. The device can be used for both duck and deer. Primarily, I bought it for duck season because of the way I duck hunt. We're talking about Ear Pro. When I go duck hunting, me and at least one of the other guys, we're conscious about our hearing, as should you. You're not any less of a man by not wearing an Ear Pro. I don't know how people do it really, to be honest, because you're sitting there and if you got 3-4 people around you and you're blasting off 3 shots each, that's a lot of damage to your hearing. So, not convenient, or it's not comfortable to wear, or you can't hear someone, which doesn't make sense. I've heard people say they don't like wearing Ear Pro because they can't talk to the person next to them. So, if that's you, I have a solution. Let's get into it. Alright, so first, let's talk about the Ear Pro that I have and kind of the progression, how I got them and why. First, we have here these. These are your typical, let's see what I pay, I think $30. These are electronic earmuffs from good old Walmart. You get what you pay for. They work, but for certain sounds, there's a delay in noise cancellation. Good starter earmuff. Next, we have the Howard Light by Honeywell. I bought these because they are slim design, as you can see. The other ones, when you're wearing a hat, actually, these, when you're wearing a hat or you're out in the blind, and they get in the way a lot when you're wearing a lot of gear. So that's why I didn't like these. I think these were, I don't know, 60 bucks. And slim design, great. But the problem, they kind of fit, but when you turn your head like this, they open up. If you're wearing glasses, it kind of opens up a pocket, and then, yeah, it's not really doing what you want it to do. We looked for other ideas that don't do that. So again, these worked. Also, one thing that I noticed when wearing these out in the rain, I don't know why, I don't know if they're, you would think as a marketed for a hunting sport, they would work in the rain, but when they got wet, you started getting a lot of static. Upgrading, which really, it was, from a price standpoint, it was a lateral move. These are, we got this, I don't know why this is on there. These are the Walker's Razor Sport XT. And these guys, so far, have been amazing. They're also slim, but not as slim. But this padding is different than the other ones. So when you put them on, they fit better around your ear if you're wearing glasses, and even if you don't wear glasses and you're wearing safety glasses, which, because if you watch Kentucky Ballistics and you don't want a gun blowing up your face, you should probably wear some safety glasses if you don't wear glasses. Anyway, so I don't know if you can see, but they definitely fit better around your ear with glasses on, and you don't have that open pocket on when you're turning, or someone else is turning, or you turn and someone else to shoot, and then, yeah, you got a 12 gauge right in your face. So this is my recommended hearing protection, is the Walker Razor Sport XT. I got these on sale on Amazon after the season. I got a couple pairs of these. But yeah, these are only, I think they're $50, maybe $60. After the season on Amazon, every year they go on sale for $30. So these bad boys were cheaper than the other ones, and they're a lot better. Plus, see this speaker compared to this one, these ones, I've never had a problem with getting wet and then having a bunch of static in your face. So that's another plus. The reason behind this video is new gear unboxing. This is old gear. but we're adding on to it. So, the benefit to these electronic muffs, instead of just any regular Joe Schmo, just standard plugs or whatever, is you can actually hear. So, you got these on, but these guys, again, another con for these, the wind, they suck. They suck. They suck. You can't hear anything. Or if you're sitting in cattails, you got the reeds blowing, yeah, good luck. You can't hear the person sitting 10 feet from you. These guys, however, you can hear in the wind. That actually cancels that out for you too. Not 100%, but it's a lot better than those other ones. So you got that for these. And you can accessorize. So one of the strongest skill sets I think you can have when duck hunting is communication with other people that you're hunting with. So calling out birds, or if they're farther away, putting the boat away or something, you can't hear them, and then some birds coming in, but I didn't know because I didn't see them. So can't yell out across the way, so they scare the birds. What I found out, you can get walkie talkies for these things. So let's open those up right now. So Walker's has an attachment, a walkie talkie, that you can put right on your headphones, so when you're 20, 30, 40 feet away, or you're not right next to each other, but it would be good to communicate. That's why we got these. The Razor walkie talkie. So as I said, these are custom designed, specifically made for the Walker Razor headset. So if everyone in your group has them, which for $30, I don't see why you don't. And then these guys are typically, these are like 40 bucks. I'll put them in the description. But these guys were on sale also on Amazon. I got them for $20. You look at the reviews, everyone says to buy these, but so far these were not worth the money. So for the same price, or actually less, on sale, you get the Walkers with the walkie-talkie for $50. So let's undo this guy. Alright, so in your package you have the walkie-talkie. Batteries come with it. Actually decent Duracell batteries, so not the cheap crap that doesn't even hold a charge. And then obviously your instruction manual, but who needs that? So as far as specs go, I mean, 22 channels, you're not going to be needing 22 of these things. Push to talk, up to 3 miles. Now, I don't think people hunting in groups for ducks are going to be 3 miles apart, but for deer hunting, that could come in handy. 12-hour battery life, so I would recommend when you're out in the woods, take some extra batteries, because I mean, you'll forget. You're not gonna replace them every day, but yeah, some days you're out there for 6, 7, 8 hours, so you might need to redo them every couple trips. 3 decibels of hearing protection, which is plenty enough when you're out for a shotgun. This is our new gear. Let's put it on, see how it fits up here. Alright, now let's see how she work. Oh, it's loud. Hello, anyone there? So that's how it looks. I don't know how it works. Let's need to look for another walkie-talkie. Our first test. Channel 1. Channel 1. Hello. Hello. Testing. Testing. Can you hear me now? I can't hear. We're gonna have to go ask for some support. Tell me if you can hear. We're talking to that thing. Hello. This is a test.
Yes, I can hear.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
What about now? In a nutshell, this, I don't know, it kind of feels weird because now it's like off center on my face. This is a little heavier, but I think overall it's going to be a good addition to my toolkit. The only thing I could see is I am left-handed. So when I shoot, this could get in the way. I didn't think of that until just now. Cool. I'm sure they can hear if I'm talking like this. We can play around in the field when it comes time in a few weeks. Well, not a few weeks. It's like, 8 weeks. It's going to help me keep my hearing and communicate while out in the duck blind. So you don't want to wear hearing protection because then you can't hear the people around you. There's no excuse. This is $50. And half the people, there's plenty of things that you probably spent $50 on that you don't really need. But this, I would say, is a good investment. And it's not that much. So you want to keep your hearing. So during deer season, you can get out there and you want to hear every little crunch that you think is a deer, but it's actually a squirrel. I would wear these when you're duck hunting. It's a pro tip from a non-professional hunter. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you found this beneficial. I hope you found it useful. I got a few more items that I already plan on doing videos for that I picked up for both deer and duck that we'll be unboxing here shortly. And hopefully gives you enough time before duck season, or this works for deer season too, that you can get out there, prepare, get your stuff. We're gonna have more videos of the items that I picked up recently, so hopefully I get them out quickly so you guys can see if it's gonna be beneficial to add these items to your toolkit. So again, thanks for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe so you don't miss any of these gear unboxing, or I'm gonna spritz in a couple of these travel videos as well. So see you next time, Michigander Outdoors.